What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a great weekend. It's the 11th of November. We're taking a look here at the markets early Monday morning. Aerodrome finance slash the United States dollars is what we're looking at here. So we'll be looking at a daily chart. We'll drop into a 3-minute time frame. We have Bitcoin pumping, and yeah, we'll wrap this video up and try to get a couple more out here this morning on this Monday. So taking a look back here, let's take a zoom in onto the Aerodrome finance chart. This is the Coinbase price data, by the way. So they should be accessible to most people, anyways. Hopefully everybody. Hopefully, hopefully everybody has access to Coinbase. I'm pretty sure they should. So we have the pump here. We have a higher high that took place. We have a higher high. Let me try to get the right tool here. Let's see here. We have a higher high. So on the 6th of November, we took out the highs from the 29th. So we have a higher low on the 4th. We have a higher high on the 6th. So that is good, guys. We are past this head and shoulders here. Let me see if I can move this over. We had the head and shoulders forming, right? We were talking about that as it was unfolding. And luckily, we bounced off the neckline and made new highs. So, hey, that is awesome. That's what I was hoping to see. I don't like to see people get hurt in the markets, and I know that if this move played out, this 40+% move to the downside, taking us back to 60, 61 cents, I think that would have hurt a lot of people. I don't think people would have sold on the break of the neckline or a close below the neckline. Anyways, of course, no guarantees that we don't go down there, but at least right now we have flipped that and we are starting to rally. Looks like we have market resistance coming into play at my highest level I have, where the market just topped out, was 158.1. So this white line here is 1581. And of course, we have one just below that at like 156, but we're going to take the highest, which would be 158. So if we go to a 3-minute time frame, which is 3-minute time frame is the smaller time frame that I always like to look at when trading. So if I'm trading the futures markets, the micro futures markets, I will trade the 3-minute time frame. So you can see where the market basically topped out, just hit 158. And then that was the top. 156 is right there. So, right in this range. And then we really got pushed back down. Check out the support right here at 151 for a short time being. Obviously, that got broke. Plunged below, rallied back up, turned that 151 into resistance. And the current price is 146. But very nice to see that some older levels here, 158, 156.80, coming into play. Let's take a zoom into the chart. I want to welcome all the new subscribers, guys. Appreciate all the current subscribers, everybody who views these videos. Thank you, guys. So we have, what can we keep an eye out for here today? I do want to make mention, or today, but overall, my upper target for this big breakout here is still 171.6. All right, so 1716 is still what I'm looking for, No guarantees we'll get up there, but if we start to break out again, that's where I'm really looking for a move to the upside, 1716. Let's take a zoom in here. Let's find out what we can look for here today. If markets continue lower, look for support at 144.6, 144.5. That's just below today's lows. If we continue to break the 140, call it 140 level, and then below that would be 138, 136.7. So 136.7, 138, 140, 145, 144, excuse me, right up here. So that should keep things covered for a while. We're actually having Bitcoin rally here, and we're having Aerodrome pullback. So kind of interesting, not really following what's going on over in the BTC market. But, I don't think this thing's in trouble or anything. We do have a daily lower high today, so we could be in for some sideways to downward price action over the next couple days. We'll see. It is a daily higher low though, so it's an inside day. It's within yesterday's range. Not a new high, not a new low. It's an inside day compared to what we saw on Sunday. That was not an inside day because it made a new high. Although it was a higher low, it was also a higher high, so that was not an inside day. For example, here's an inside day on Friday. Didn't make a new high, didn't make a new low. It's within the previous day's range, inside day. That's what we're experiencing today so far. We'll see if it holds. So, a couple key takeaways. Keep an eye on the levels I just mentioned, all the way down from to 136. We'll throw 134 in there. That would be a pretty bad crush, though. All the way up to where we're just trading above is the 144 level right in here. But all looks good, Markets don't go straight up every day, although Aerodrome, when it goes up, pretty much goes straight up. Over to Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Wow, guys, Bitcoin trading at 81,000. 81,000. Insane. I remember when it was 3,000 a couple years ago. Turning into more than a couple years now. We have Bitcoin above the 80,614 level. That was a support. We had that resistance yesterday. You can see we wicked above it, and we are back below it. Let me show you that on the 3-minute time frame. Let's see here. 3-minute time frame. Here is the trade above the... Is that it, or is it further back? That's it. Trade above the 81,614 resistance, turn 78,980 into support. Again, back up to the 80,614 into support, and now we are rallying. What's our next target here for Bitcoin? Let's take a zoom in. We're breaking out into new all-time highs. What a sight to see. So I should have some, I guess I don't have any on the chart. I thought I did. There should be some targets in between here, but right now, the only thing I have on the chart is 96,000, which is quite a bit higher. But I'll have to get those levels in before the next video. But hey, we're rallying here big time. We have the futures catching up from over the weekend. They were up like 3,000 points or something crazy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Bitcoin in new all-time highs, hopefully heading up to the 6-figure mark. Aerodrome Finance trading on $1.47, pulling back. Overhead resistance. So far, our top is at 158, and we're still looking for that move up to 171. Maybe after a couple days here of a pausing. Guys, have a great day. All links down below. Of course, not financial advice. We'll catch you in the next video.